Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with an unboxing for my Stamps of Life Die Hard Club Kit. This is for October. So, their prices are going up November 1st. So if you want to get in, you got to get in before November 1st. And I can refer people now for the Stamps of Life. So if you sign up, let them know that I sent you there. Sorry for the glare. But it is the stampsoflife.com. That's where you can find out information on their clubs. We always get this inspiration card with our club's mailings. And for the rest of the year, they're giving Die Hard club members a free gift. 2 free gifts, I think. So we get this free joy. I might have this die, and if I do, then I will be doing a giveaway for it for my subbies. And then, I don't know what this is. If it's like sand or mountainy, I'm not sure. That's what it looks like. It could be like toppings. Sorry if you couldn't even see and for the glare. But this is another free die. And then this is the die in the club this month. Comes with the snowman and the shadow pieces, and then these snowfalls. And then this is the stamp set. Lots of sentiments. And the 2 guys so you can cut them out. It says, "You make me snow happy. Stay cool. 'Tis the season to be freezing. You're snow cute. Happy birthday to my snow me. Let it snow. Warm winter wishes and be cool." And then they have the snowflakes or snow, falling snow as well. Yeah, cute set, cute set. So can't wait for my club card kit to come because this coordinates with it and then I get to really play. But yeah, so stay tuned for videos coming up with projects from these. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please consider liking and subscribing and joining me on this crafty journey. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!